name? Drinking buddy number 1. What's your name? Pong. How about you, white boy?
America Papa. BB.
How about you, long hair? You're the tanggero. Say hi to Ate Lily. How about you? Gnocchi? How about you?
I'm Mario.
Hey, Mario, you look at the camera. Yan. That's how they drink. That's how they drink here in the Philippines. Wow, you're not drinking, Mario? Mm. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.